Hi, this is Lakshmi Priya, Assistant Professor in the Department of ECE. In this presentation, we are going to discuss the working of IC 723 voltage regulator. So before coming to the voltage regulator, so let us start with the power supply, okay? And we know that power source is available in the form of AC, right? And it is converted into the DC using rectifier circuit. So after the rectifier, so we will be having the filters to remove the ripples, and this filtered output is given to this voltage regulator. And what is the role of voltage regulator? So this voltage regulator circuit is going to give us the constant DC output voltage, that is the stable DC output voltage as per our requirement. So these regulators can be designed using the discrete components like Zener diode, transistors and resistors. And it is also available in the form of ICs like these kind of integrated circuits. Now, what is the major difference between the IC voltage regulators and the regulators designed with the discrete components? So the external working of both the regulators may same, but the internal circuit is varied. In this IC voltage regulators, additionally we are having the current limiting circuit and overload protection circuit. So let us see what is IC 723. So this is the functional block diagram of IC 723 voltage regulator, and this functional block can be divided into two sections. So one is the reference voltage generator and another one is the error amplifier section. Okay. So in this first section, so we are having the Zener diode, constant current source and also the voltage reference amplifier. Okay. So again, the function of the Zener diode is to give you the constant regulated voltage. So that is the voltage of 7.15 volt at this terminal, and the use of constant current sources to make the Zener diode to operate at the fixed point. So that is why we are getting the constant voltage. So in this reference terminal, okay, and this will comes along with this voltage reference amplifier, and this total circuit will give you the reference voltage of 7.15 volt at this sixth pin of your IC. This is the second section of the block diagram. This is the error amplifier, which is nothing but the comparator. So this comparator compares these two input signals, and the reference voltage of 7.15 volt is given to the non-inverting input and the output voltage is given to the inverting input of the error amplifier. And the error amplifier generates the error voltage which drives this series pass transistor. So for example, if you are having the low output voltage, this low voltage is given to the inverting input, and compare this. So this reference voltage is high, so the error amplifier produces the more positive voltage. So in this way, this low voltage is compensated here. And this is the current limiting circuit. This is the current limited transistor. So this is normally a off transistor, and there is an external resistor connected between these two terminals. When the current exceeds the required limit, the voltage drop across this resistor will increase. This will increase the base voltage of this transistor. So the transistor starts to conduct. So once the transistor starts to conduct, the current flowing through the collector terminal of the transistor will increase. So this will decrease the current flowing through the base terminal of this transistor, because here the current is divided. So the current flowing through this transistor increases, that will decrease the current flowing through the base of this series pass transistor. So in this way, current limiting circuit is working in the LM723. LM723 is the 14-pin IC. This pin number 1 is no connection, pin number 2 current limit, and pin number 3 current sense. These are used for the current limiting circuit. And this fourth pin is inverting input pin. The output voltage is given to this inverting input. And this pin number 5 and pin number 6 is externally connected, because the reference voltage is given to the non-inverting input. And the 7th pin is ground connection. And pin number 9 is generally used for making the negative voltage, because this voltage regulator is used as the positive voltage regulator and also the negative voltage regulator. So this 9th pin is used for making the negative voltage, and this is the output pin, and VC is the control voltage, and pin number 12 is connected to the power supply, and 13 is the frequency compensation, and 14 is again the no connection. Using this IC, we can give the regulated output voltage between 2 to 37 volt and the load current of 150 milliampere. So next is the application of IC 723 voltage regulators. So we can configure this IC into the different modes. The first mode is the high voltage, high current regulator. So the output voltage is greater than the 7 volt. This is considered as the high voltage, and the IC will provide the 150 milliampere load current. If we want the load current greater than the 150 milliampere, it is considered as the high current. So then we go for high voltage, high current regulator. And next configuration is the high current, low voltage regulator. So if we need the load current that is greater than the 150 milliampere, but the voltage is less than the 7 volt, we go for the high current, low voltage regulator. Third is low current, high voltage regulator is for less than 150 milliampere and greater than 7 volt. And this low voltage high current is for less than 7 volt and greater than 150 milliampere.